Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren and today I have a stitch fix to go over with you guys. I ended up returning everything out of my last stitch fix, and this is kind of a replacement box, although it does look like it got drop kicked by the FedEx driver that delivered it to my house, but hopefully everything is in there that should be in there. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's a clothing styling subscription. There's a $20 styling fee, gets applied towards anything that you purchase. If you buy all 5 items within your box, you get, I believe, a 25% discount on everything you keep. Yeah, this box is tore up. So they also give you a prepaid mailer to return anything that you don't love or want to keep. And there is the pricing sheet. Put that to the side, and then we'll look at the note from my stylist. Here, I'll read that in a second. Let's see, here's my bundle. Looks like some fun colors. Black, some stripes, some green, pink, and it looks like I got some shoes. So let's see what my note says. Let's see what she says here. She says, "Hey Lauren, happy fix day. My name is Chanel." Oh, that is not my stylist. My name is Chanel, and I definitely had fun with this fix as requested. You will find summery, casual, and business casual pieces that will add more personality to your wardrobe. First, I wanted to highlight these 9 West flats that are the perfect summery accessory. To wear them with the items in this fix, I recommend trying them with the level 99 pants and the Daniel Rainn top. They would also be a great piece to add to simple jeans and a white sleeveless top kind of outfit. I also wanted to highlight the Daniel Rainn top I just mentioned. What I think you will like about this top, other than the cute crochet detail, is that you'll be able to wear it for almost any occasion. It looks great with a skirt, like the one in this fix, jeans, anything. It looks great with a blazer too. XO Chanel. What happened to Lacia? I liked her. Even though I didn't keep anything in my last box, she was nailing my fixes. I'm not happy. Okay, well, let's get into this. Okay. First, the shoes. I don't know about you guys. I don't know how I feel about these flats. It's just, I mean, if I wanted a picnic table on my toes, I'll try them on, but I'll tell you right now, I kind of think these are ugly. These are just not, these aren't doing it for me at first sight. Maybe they'll be cute on my feet, but no. These are, okay, so far, no. Let's see the bundle. Okay, so first here we have, this is the Payout by Pale Sky. It's the Quin Keyhole crochet top in black. So definitely it's just a sleeveless top. You can see the crochet detail down the front. That's cute. I've seen this pop up in Shop My Looks in white. And then in the back, it also has like a keyhole in the back, and then it has the same crochet detailing all the way down to the bottom. And it looks like, yep, it is. It's split at the bottom, little split detail. It's also mixed material. It's like a, oh, what is that, polyester or rayon? Yeah, rayon. So 100% rayon in the front, and then a rayon spandex. Oh, okay, yeah, in the back. So like a rayon spandex blend in the back. So it's definitely mixed media. I'm actually kind of curious to know if anybody has this top, how does it wash? Because I'd be curious to know like how, if once it dries, if this detailing in the back, if it like crinkles up and gets all misshapen, or if it actually washes and dries nice. So we'll try that on. That's cute. Next, we have something by Pink Clover. It's the Haylee front pocket Raglan knit top in white. So just a straight knit top. It's got a front little pocket, the little brown sweetie looking detail in the front. I like Pink Clover. It's very soft. It's got the different striping detail on the cuffs and across the back of the shoulders. The bottom is just slightly rounded and it's straight across. It's no high-low. So try that on. This looks like a skirt. This is the Margaret and M Christina pencil skirt in green. It's kind of a green floral. It looks like just a slip-on. Kind of this green and white, kind of a daisy floral. And there's like a little, a kick in the back. That's cute, try that on. And then last, let's see here, these are by Level 99. Where's the tag? There it is. It's the Francis straight leg pant in dark purple. So these are, well, these look like these will be crop. Well, at least on me, they're definitely going to be crop. But they have these kind of hidden, let's see here, front zippers right here, function zippers. That's kind of cute. And then the back pockets, they're stitched shut at the moment, but it's just super soft. These are very soft. Kind of a, almost like a shinier pant detail. It's kind of a wide cuff at the bottom and it's got the little slits down below. So we'll try those on. So that's everything in my box. And she had suggested pairing the black top with purple pants with the shoes. Maybe it's cute. We'll see. So let's get to the try on. Okay, so now I have on the first three items. I have on the 9 West flats, and I have on the pale sky top that she recommended to pair with the Level 99 pants. And I'll move a little closer so you can see the top. This definitely is cute. It fits really well, it's comfortable, it's lightweight. This detail up here is fun. I like it a lot. I'm a little worried about how close this is, like around my neck. I kind of feel like it's choking just a little bit. Show you the back. So the back has this really pretty detail, the keyhole, and the pants fit nice. I'm a little worried about like the way the pockets in the back, these little part right here, they just kind of flare out a little bit, and the pockets are so teeny tiny that it's not like you could use it. You can't shove your phone back in there. That's just, they're not deep enough for anything. That's just more for aesthetics. But they're really soft. They're a fun color. I like that they have the little slits here on the side. The shoes are okay. They're just not my style. So the shoes are a definite no for me. I just can't, the pattern is just not for me. But I do really like this combination. I think that they pair well with each other, and it would be something that you could throw a little cardigan or a blazer over of some sort, and you have a cute look for work, or going out on a Saturday afternoon or to dinner, wherever. Okay, so I've got another top and a skirt to try on, so let's keep moving. Okay, so now I have on the Raglan top by Pink Clover. This is super comfy, really soft. Like, the material is just super soft. I like it a lot. It's got the cute stripe detail here on the pocket in the front, on the cuffs around the sleeves. On the back, comes down nicely. It's straight across. I think this is probably my favorite item in the box. I just paired it with my own jeans and some booties. So what do you guys think? It's pretty simple. I kind of like the simpleness of this one. It can go with a lot of different things. More of a basic, just kind of black and white striped top. All right, got the skirt left, and then we'll do a wrap up. Okay, so now I have on the last item, which is this Margaret and M floral pattern skirt. It's in this really pretty green color. I just paired it with a white top that I got from Stitch Fix a while ago. But my only concern, I actually feel like I could go slides down because it feels like it wants to like crinkle up in the front. It's a pull on, so it just pulls straight up and down. There's no zipper or buttons or anything, but it fits nice. You guys will have to let me know what you think of this top or skirt. I think this is super cute and really comfortable too. And I like when you sit, and I did the sit test, when you sit, it doesn't ride up, and it's like at the perfect length right above my knee. I like this. I think you could probably pair some other colors with it. I mean, she had mentioned maybe pairing the black top because there's the black in the design. Move a little closer here. I mean, but then you could probably do like maybe a mint green top or a pink top, just to kind of add a little extra something. So that's pretty much everything in my box that you guys have seen now. So let's do a quick wrap up with the pricing, and you guys are gonna have to let me know what you thought. Okay, so this was a fun one. Let's go through pricing and see how much everything costs, because that'll make a lot of determination as to what we keep and what gets sent back. So first off, we're gonna start with the flats. These just really aren't my style. I can tell you that right now. These are the 9 West Speak Up fabric printed flats. They're $59. I feel like for $59 that I could get these way cheaper and something else that I like in a better print at DSW or somewhere else. So these are definitely gonna go back. Next was the Pale Sky top. If I can open it up the right way. So this one, this has that fun crochet detail, getting tangled in the front. Again, really pretty like that. And also again in the back. So I did look at this, and this is dry clean only, so need to think about that. And this one is $64. So I'll need to think about that. That's kind of in like a maybe. The purple level 99 pants, these are $88. I don't know if I need these. These just seem like something that I would only wear occasionally, and I did keep the purple jeans out of the FatBit Fun Style box, so I don't know if I need another pair of purple pants. So probably gonna send those back. Next is the pink Clover Raglan top. This one I like. This one's this is only $38. So $38. This I would probably get a lot of wear out of this. It's soft. It was super comfortable. It can, you know, 3/4 sleeve, take you into the fall, even wintertime, layer it up. I liked this. Next is the Margaret and M skirt. This is just a super cute floral design. Again, this one is $68. I'm on the fence about this one. You guys are gonna have to let me know what you think about this skirt. I thought it was super cute on. It's just one of those things that I just need some feedback. So let me know what you guys thought about the skirt. The grand total, if I was to keep everything, so the subtotal is $317. The buy all discount of 25% would take $79.25 off, with leaving me with the subtotal of $237.75 if I was to keep everything. So definitely know that's not going to happen. What were your favorite items? What would you keep? What would you send back? Let me know some of your thoughts. And that was it. That was everything in my box. So I had a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for spending a little bit of your time with me today. And until next time, make sure you like and subscribe this video, and we'll see you later. Bye.